Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2013 Freightliner we have for sale. It's a crew cab. It's powered by a Cummins diesel engine, Allison transmission. It's got a 12-foot service body with a Lincoln Ranger welder and a gas-powered air compressor. It's got a big diesel fuel tank in the back. 176,000 miles on this truck. It's from right here around my town. We bought it from a company that just didn't need it anymore. So runs out and drives good. Everything works like it should. Let's walk around and take a look at it. I'm gonna walk around. When I walk around the truck, I'll point out things to you that I see that I want you to know about it. Just stuff like this. Tractor in there and right here. Cruise control. So the bed's been repainted on this truck. Just had a lot of paint flaking off of it. Not a professional job, but looks better than the paint flaking off. It's missing the door strap up there at the top that holds the door. Missing it on this door as well. This door got a little damage there. It still opens and shuts like it should. Set of American Eagle tool drawer. Bus. 176, 227 on the mileage. All right, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. You can call or text. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go in there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. Probably going to be looking at about $250 a mile to ship a truck like this. If you decide to go that route, just know that we're a dispatcher, so what we'll do is post it on our board and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama going to Texas or North Carolina or California, wherever you're at, we want to take it for you. Excuse me. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out as soon as you pay. Normally you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. On something bigger like this, it might take a little longer, but you know, I don't have a crystal ball. I can't tell you the exact second they're going to pull up here, the exact second they're going to pull up in your driveway. But I can tell you normally 3 to 7 days you'll have the truck. If you're one of those guys, you got to know the exact second. The only way to know that is to come pick it up yourself in person, which you're welcome to do. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. We're not open on the weekends, and if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. Please don't show up with a regular check. I won't be able to save the truck. It has to be a certified bank check. Sorry about the pauses. I keep having to clear my throat. Anyways, that's pretty much everything about the truck. Runs out and drives good to be a big truck like it is. It has been used. I showed you mostly everything about it. So it's not a brand new truck by any means, but pretty nice old truck. It'll be a 10-year-old work truck. So if you're interested, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Thanks for watching. You can call or text that number.